Hello friends. The compiler design model itself is segregated into different phases. In today's class, we'll explore the different phases of compiler. So the next section is your phases of compiler. And in this phase of compiler, you can see that the flow is something like that your source program is gone through with different phases of this compiler. Among them, these three phases that you notice over here is a synthesis. So there is a two-part analysis part and synthesis part. So this is your analysis part. Analysis we can do here, and this part is your synthesis part. Synthesization means we have to implement in terms of hardware where we can basically run this program. So as you can see the name over here, there is a lexical analyzer, there is a syntax analyzer, there is a semantic analyzer. Okay. So the entire analysis is been done on the lexical level, syntax level, and semantic level. And finally, we produce IR, that is your intermediate representation. After this analysis, the output is your IR. And then we finally perform the synthesis by code optimizer and finally code generator. And this is the strict ordering, that first is your lexical analysis phase, then syntax, then semantic, then IR representation intermediate form, then code optimizer, and then finally code generator. Each place they have to follow some strict rule, and if rule is not followed, then this error handler responsibility to generate, okay, if error is present or warning at any one of these phases. Symbol table manager, that is a new term, symbol table manager. So symbol table manager is a symbol table. Okay, so symbol table, what is a symbol table? The symbol table is a data structure. Okay, symbol table is a data structure. Used for storing variables, identifier, variable, or identifier, and its attribute. What is a variable identifier? So this is a very common thing, and we declared a variable something like int a is equal to 10. So this a we termed as a variable or identifier. So like here, a, what is the L value associated with a? What is the R value associated with a? What is the type associated with this? Okay, so all this information we are putting in a table form, and this table we are calling it as a symbol table. And you also notice one more thing over here, that this symbol table is accessible by every other phases of this compile. Okay, and finally your target program will be generated. Okay, so the ordering is strict order is here: lexical, syntax, semantic, intermediate generation, code optimizer, and finally code generator.